Learning online was a bit challenging when we started. You know, there was the excitement of doing things, joining the community and being part of an organization, being part of Moringa School and learning code. But then when you learned that you're doing it on your screen, the mind got a bit relaxed. But then again, once we got used to it, I started getting the better part of it when I learned that people learn at different paces. People learn in different environments. But then the learning online module gives you that chance to learn at your own pace. If you're a morning person, you can have your morning hours and learn on your own. If you're an evening person, you can have your evening hours and learn on your own. We have catch-up sessions and feedback sessions where all of us get together. But most of the time, you decide what works well for you and what you can pick and go with.
I've always been a tech person, like from way back. I just never got the right platform or the right sources to guide me to where I am today. So when I got it, I took it head on. A friend of mine referred me to it. When I first applied, I was doubtful because I thought I wouldn't get a feedback. But after that, and after all the stages, I passed successfully. And when I joined Pre-Prep, that was in February, at first it was kind of hectic because it was online. I was used to the physical learning because you had to gauge yourself. You also had to time yourself from like manage housework and also schoolwork. But with the support I got from my friends and family, it helped me really, really a lot.
Before I joined Moringa, I was in marketing for 8 years. Before marketing, I was part in aviation as well. So you can see there's a huge transition into my career as myself. Funny thing was when we started looking for bootcamps in Kenya, like we don't have so many varieties. So that was on Google. So I Googled bootcamps in Kenya and coding schools in Kenya, programming schools in Kenya, and it ended up Moringa was top search on the browser. So that is why I stumbled through on Moringa through the Google search. It's been a bit of a challenge, but I welcome challenges because, you know, learning with people who are as passionate as you into tech, some of them even more passionate than you, who are part of the students that you're gonna meet, my peers, it's kind of intimidates you, but also sets you up to bring your best into what you're studying. So for me, it's been tough, but also I'm enjoying learning and basically taking in. It's been 1 week into it. So you can imagine why I'm saying tough, but I'm sure that when I go into week 2 to week 5, which is part of the program, I think things are gonna come into focus and they're gonna be much easier.
Fellow women, as in it's our time. We're getting empowered by the day, and the field is broad. It's not for men only. There is enough to go around for everybody. Just come and secure your space. You can do so much, especially for the girl child who's maybe in the those minorities, those people who are maybe say the northeastern areas. When we all come together in the technological world and we are able to develop things and be able to reach out to those women who are left behind. So we can change quite a lot in our society and be the leaders that we'd want to see leading us, and be the change, not tomorrow's change, but today's.
I wanted to do robotics, but because it's a bit hard to find a school that has that, I'm going to do mechatronics, and part of that includes computer programming. So Moringa School is giving me the opportunity to have some of the knowledge I can get before I actually go to school. So it's kind of like a preparatory course.
I tried learning data science through YouTube and stuff, but I found that it's very clustered. Like, you can find the information is not as you'd want it to be. It's not structured. So I decided to look out for courses and institutions offering that course. Moringa School came across to me as a very, very intelligent institution in the sense that it actually offers professional development. I was referred to Moringa by a friend. He finished software development in 2019 and he was able to actually get a job afterwards. So he referred me to Moringa School and that's how I came to learn about it.
I'd say that Moringa School really helped me for my current role, being that it is, I would say, intensive, but not so intensive bootcamp. It prepared me for the pressure that is required to be a developer. It gave me the skills that I required to be a developer, for example, time management, communication skills. It also prepared me that when you're a developer, you don't need to be either a back-end or a front-end developer. You can work, you can be a full-stack developer. I think that that's the path that I took. And so it prepared me to handle the pressure that comes with it. And also it gave me the full stack that is needed. I didn't have to take another course to maybe specialize in the front end or back end. It perfected me in both the stacks. Moringa School gives you a competitive edge over other candidates, saying that this is specialized. If you're taking software development, take software development, but it is not as specialized as back-end software development. It is software development as a whole. Again, Moringa School teaches you how to learn how to code. I studied Python in Moringa School, but I can now say that I can learn for myself other programming languages. I've been able to learn PHP and various frameworks, but I wouldn't do that if I just knew how to code. But it taught me how to learn how to code. So seeing that tech moves very fast, one skill that I'm very grateful for that Moringa School gave me is learning for myself how to code.
My experience at Moringa School has been outstanding. I've been able to interact with different teachers, different students, make various connections and even start up on various projects. The best part of Moringa School for me, I think, is using the Canvas online tool, whereby you're able to take yourself through the content and it's well outlined.
Yesterday we had a very nice lightning talk. We had a guy known as Boyd Donga, who came and just gave a brief description of his life, how he transitioned from engineering to coding, and the talk was very engaging. It really gave me hope that I can do it and still manage to excel in my studies here at Moringa School.